Hey, this is Curtis of Farm Life, and it's March, about the 8th, I think it is. Anyway, it's peacock mating season here at the farm, and here's this white hen with this old male here. This male here is named Big Bird. He's the oldest male here. This hen, she's kind of a dominant hen. She's fluffed up. Well, anyway, there's some other female peacocks back here I'm going to show you. This hen. Now this little male right here, he's young. He's only like a year and a half old. He's Tweet's brother. His name's Elvis. And then here we have a 4-year-old male named Strutter. And Strutter, he's strutting his stuff here. And there's Elvis again. Oh, there's this fancy feather dancer. See if we can get him to turn around and look at us. Hey Strutter, what you doing, big boy? Oh, you gonna impress that hen, huh? There's that poor hen. She's got 3 males over here vying for the attention. This is walking around here. This is Pet. Pet has a couple of videos, and he's the bird with the biggest plumage right now. He's showing off here. And there's 2 or 3 hens back there with him. What you doing, cat? And there's Tractor Cat. I done fed you. Oh, he's trying to get that hen's attention. They ain't quite ready to breed yet. There's a white hen, and up on top of there, there's a dark hen. And there's Pet again. Pet's like king of the roost around here. Come here, Pet. What you doing, big boy? And there's his brother, Strutter. Strutter. Come on, Strutter. Come on, Strutter. You gonna pack them in? Sometimes they get upset because I bring the camera around. They're both packing them in. Over here we have a little orphan calf named Buddy. His mother kind of abandoned him. We feed him, and see if we can get a close up of him. Hey, Buddy. Buddy. Oh, he's looking. Well, this is Curtis from Farm Life, and I'm going to sign off now. There's Pet again.